how to turn a photo into a coloring page inside Canva or using Canva. So you could go ahead and do this manually, or you could just make use of the Canva AI, which is probably one of the fastest options you can do, especially if your photo is complicated or not even. So go ahead here into create and just upload your photo. And what you're gonna do from here is just you can edit image, not really, but you could get it from that option. But we're gonna go ahead and use in a new design. You can choose a custom size, but that pretty much depends on you. And from here, we're gonna go on the Canva AI. So what shall we do with this design? We're just gonna ask the AI to turn it into a coloring page. We're gonna go ahead and press and enter, and it's just gonna work on it. Nice. You should be able to do it manually, like erasing all the colors and creating all the lines yourself. And blah blah blah. But that is gonna take a bit of time and a bit of, you could use the auto select tools, but we're just gonna go ahead and use this option so that it's much faster. But you do have the other option if you really want to. So once it's done, it should look something like this. So you'll pretty much have it like so. If you want changes for your photo, you can always go ahead and ask anything from the Canva AI, but that is technically pretty much it for this. So hopefully one of these options can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.